Hello everyone, my name is Purvasha and today I am going to show you a very delicious recipe and of course a mouth-watering recipe, and that is Paneer Tikka. So now I am going to show you that what are the ingredients that I am going to use in the recipe, as well as how to prepare the recipe in this Panasonic microwave oven. Now let's have a look to the recipe. Now this is the marinated uncooked recipe, and here I have used a few main ingredients, and these are paneer. You can see very nicely how nicely it is marinated with all the ingredients, which I am going to tell you what are the ingredients I have used. Capsicum, onions and tomato. Now to the green vegetables, the spices which I have added are 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of shahi garam masala, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons of hung curd, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and salt as per taste. Now we all know that Paneer Tikka is a barbecue style of food, and for barbecue food we need skewers. Like here I am using wooden skewers, and what I'll do is I'll prick these vegetables one by one in the skewer, just like this, the way I'm doing. Now this is how it is to be arranged. I should add one thing, that after adding all the spices, it should be marinated for at least 1 hour in refrigerator. And after 1 hour, just take it out from the refrigerator and arrange it in the skewers in the way I have done. Okay, and then place it on the high rack. Here I have the high rack and also the crispy plate, which I am going to keep it just below the rack, so that whatever oil gets released from the food, it can be collected in this crispy plate. Now I am going to keep this inside the oven. Cook it in combination mode. Whenever you press the combination function, the unit that displays on the screen is C1, then C2. We need to put the food in C2 power for 12 minutes and then start. After 12 minutes, I'll just take this Paneer Tikkas out from the machine. Now you can see that these have become literally dry, and now I will apply a little bit of oil by brushing. You can also add, or you can also use butter or ghee instead of using refined oil. Whichever you prefer, you can use. Now again I will put it inside the machine and keep it in combination mode in C2 power for 5 minutes. Start. Take it out from the oven. can see how nicely it's cooked. All the vegetables has become soggy. We can see the vegetables, and we can also see the paneer has also become very soft. So we can see that it's done. Nicely it's done. Now here I come with the end of the recipe. Hope you'll enjoy the recipe with your friends and family. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, bye.
Panasonic.